Okay, hello Gemini. How are you? Thank you so much for tuning in and maraming salamat sa patuloy na tinatangkilik ang Happy Angel reading po, no? Kahit po matagal po tayo hindi nag-upload. So, Gemini, this reading is for you. Let's see what's going on sa iyong love life. Let's ask our spirit guide kung ano ang parating sa iyo, no? Ano ang energy sa iyong February 11 to 28. O, pasensya na po ha, na-operahan po yung lalamunan ko. Kaya medyo nagtagal tayo, no? Na hindi nakapag-upload, but okay na po. I-exercise ko na, maganda na rin po ang, medyo malabo lang po, pasensya na ha, nasa camp po tayo. Okay, let's see. Pengi naman po ng like and hype dyan. Ayan. Uy, tumatalon sino? Uy, someone wants to talk to you, Gemini. Very interested siya sa'yo. At actually, the person's on your mind, inaantay niya na mag-message ka or mag-call ka sa kanya. He wanted to tell something about, he wanted to talk about lots of things sa'yo. Ayan. Ganda niyan, ha? Someone is very interested to you. Itong February 11 till 28. Tell us more para kay Gemini, Spirit Guide. Ano pa po ang paparating about sa kanyang persons or sa kanyang energy sa love life? Wow, my goodness. Soulmate mo raw yata to, ha? Soulmate, partnership, soul contract, life partner. Oh my God. Ayan. I think the persons on your mind is your soulmate at magkakaroon kayo ng soulmate connection. Oh, baka siya na rin ang life partner mo na. Tell us more para kay Gemini. Para kay Gemini Spirit Guide sa kanyang February 11 to 28. Para sa kanyang February 11 to 28. Unconditional love, oh my goodness, this is really a soul connection and parang fulfilled, no? Maaring your persons really wanted to offer you unconditional love or let's say higher commitment. Baka mag-propose siya sa iyo, no? Magugulat ka na lang, parang gusto niya ng higher commitment. No? Or maybe this is your energy, want your persons na magbigay ng higher commitment. We will clarify that later. Pero nakikita natin dito, may soul connections na rito at very interested siya. No? So makikita mo rito ang very balance and harmony na ng journey ninyong dalawa, no? And ang relationship na to mauwi sa proposal. So sabihin natin na this person is really wanted to offer to propose to you. No, dahil feeling niya na soulmate ka niya, no? At he wanted to talk lots of things about you. Very interested to talk kung ano ka, kung single ka, no, nak, ang persons na to, gusto niya makipag-communicate sa iyo. At maaring nararamdaman niya na soul connections kanya, no? Na kayong dalawa have to feel have to feel the soul contract, no? Na baka i-operan ka ng ano, no, mauwi ka agad once na you give this person a chance, no? Single ka, you give this a person a chance, baka that relationship as it grows, it will go into a higher commitment na baka mag-propose ang persons mo, no? The energy might be female or ano, may nakikita ko dito na parang I could feel na may LGBT. I could feel na same sex, no? But we've seen here na maganda ang connections, no? Tell us more. Let's see. It's very beautiful. Parang talagang story ng ano na magkakaroon ng soulmate contract ended, no? Parang magkakaroon ng fulfillment or accomplishment ng soul contract dito. Kasi both of your soul, ang pares ninyong soul dito talagang you are magnet, ano, parang pares kayong nag-attract. You are being magnet to each other, no? With this with these three cards dito na nakikita ko, no? Tell us more. Right. More what we have for Gemini. Yeah. for Gemini. What we have for Gemini, Spirit. Ito. Oh my goodness. Self-indulgence. Self-worth. But make sure, no? You have your self-worth at ibabalyo nyo pa rin. And it's about time to heal daw. No? So, so mag-heal ka na because this person is about to come to you. Kung single ka, na hindi ka pa nag-overcome sa iyong past heartache, kailangan i-heal mo na 'yan. And kailangan din magtiwala ka sa sarili mo na you deserve love, na you are also God's child, na we deserve this love, no? And nakikita natin dito na you are about to heal this February 11 to 28. You're gonna really find these persons dito. Because the person that is coming to you is your soulmate. Maliwanag na soulmate. Maliwanag na life partner mo itong paparating sa'yo. No? So, but you need to have you need to believe in yourself. Kailangan mo magtiwala sa iyong sarili. And it's about time na dapat ka mag-heal sa mga emotional baggage mo sa mga nakaraan, no? And make sure na, kasi patuloy, wag kang maging I could feel na hindi ka naman masaya sa nararamdaman mo because you're still clinging sa past mo. So siguro, it's about time. Coming here is not an accident. Siguro sinasabi din, binibigay ang message na to sa'yo. Darating na si soulmate mo. So, kailangan magbawas ka ng dalahin mo dyan sa puso mo para maging mas lalo kang masaya. No? Parang it's about time for you to heal. No? At magtiwala ka sa sarili mo, and because you deserve this love, you deserve this ring. You deserve this ring, nak. No? So, it's about time to mag-isip ka na i-let go mo na ang past mo dahil it won't, parang we could see here, this is a really nice journey. Walang negative energy. Walang parang this is plan. Means that you are already aligned sa persons mo that is meant to you. But ang sabi dito, it's about time to heal this February na. No, mag-heal, you need to heal it. You need to release. Kailangan mo i-release ang emotional baggage mo, Gemini. Okay, let's more. Oh my goodness. Ayan, no? Light-hearted, adapt, finding out change. You need to change now. You need to change your light again and heal. So the message of Dragonfly dito, you need to find ways kung paano ka may heal sa previous mo, no? At magkakaroon ka ng clarity din this February. Malalaman mo rin yung na-waste na energy mo sa iyong nakaraan. So, you will have some healing din talaga. Talagang, even though na parang pilit mong binubuksan ang sarado na, pero ang spirit guide sa'yo, ang kumbaga spirit guide, hinaharangan ang pagbukas mo sa nakaraan. So, you need to help your spirit guide na i-release na yan. Huwag mo nang buksan ang nakaraan because it's not for your highest good. Nakukuha mo na? Okay, so ngayon titignan naman natin ang feeling ng persons mo. No, Gemini, let's see kung anong feeling ng persons mo sa'yo. This is for Gemini. Anong feelings ng persons niya sa kanya? Anong feelings ng persons niya sa kanya, Spirit? One more. Of course. Feelings ng persons mo. You are, na parang wish fulfilled na. Parang ikaw din ang gustong-gusto niya na. Parang tingin niya, ikaw yung wish fulfilled niya with the 9 of Cups dito. Parang feeling niya, you are the persons na ihaharap niya sa bandana at parang ire-ready niya. Parang feeling niya, ikaw na yung gusto niyang mapakasalan. No? Nakukuha mo ba, nak? Parang gusto niya na ikaw na ang the best. Ikaw ang gusto niyang pakasama sa buong buhay niya. No? Which is good thing. So, let's see more. Oh my goodness, ayan. May abrupt message kang marireceive. No? Ayan, nagmamadali. Parang gusto niya, some of you siguro mga long distance, baka maka-receive ka ng medyo aggressive na message sa kanya. no? Which is very clear dito, being the Knight of Swords dito. Parang gusto niyang explain what's inside of him. Parang gusto niyang ano, gusto niyang mag-vocal sa'yo na dating hindi niya ginagawa. Ngayon parang ready na siya. Parang ready na siya ibahagi kung ano ang nararamdaman niya sa'yo, no? So parang feeling niya na kailangan ng masabi itong nasa loob ko. Dahil wish fulfilled ka nga niya eh. Masayang masaya siya sa inyong nakaraan, masayang masaya siya sa sabihin natin sa nangyari, na experience ninyong dalawa na tinetreasure niya, and parang nagkaroon siya ng ulirat na kumprontahin ka rito, no? Because the Knight of Swords, ito yung parang walang pasintabing magsasalita sa'yo. Medyo abrupt and medyo ano siya, Gemini, no? Medyo sabihin natin, aggressive ang dating. Pero that is yung parang likaw ng kanyang puso, no? Parang ito yung sinasabi ng puso niya, kay I need to talk. No, tingnan nga natin bakit. Ayan! Sabi ko na eh. You need to talk because ikaw din yung talagang, he feels that din na talaga na it's worth investing ka. It feels na parang tinitingnan niya ang sarili niya na gusto niya na ikaw ang makasama niya sa habang buhay din. Because this is the Nine of Pentacles. Parang to build some foundation sa inyong dalawa, no? Ako, paghandaan mo to. Maybe, napipil mo na to, nak. Maybe it's happening right now, no? So, nakakatuwa kasi itong Ten of Pentacles, nakikita mo rito, no? Ayan. Kumaga, siguro, baka magpa-promise siya sa'yo ng, ano, no? Medyo, hindi ka makapaniwala, pero he will tell you that na gusto kong mag-build tayong dalawa ng isang magandang bahay, ng masayang pamilya, na lahat kasama sa ating mga pangarap. You know this one? 'Di ba parang ganyan ang abrupt na nakikita natin na pagmamadaling gusto niyang i-share sa'yo. Medyo sabihin natin, no, kung titignan mo parang nambobola. Pero that's what's inside of him eh, no? Hindi natin dapat husgahan kasi nakikita natin ang sincerity ng puso niya dahil yan ang gusto niyang iparating sa, no? So saan ka pa rito? And even though nasa kanya pa pabigla-bigla, but he meant it, no? So, pag-isipan mo 'yan. Paghandaan mo 'yan, sasabihin niya medyo magugulat ka, no? Baka ma-hangout ka, baka sabihin mo na, but this person's really wanted to pursue you, no? At gusto niya magkaroon ng magandang buhay sa'yo. Hindi lang love, 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 no? Gusto niya abundant. Yan ang pinaplano niyang sabihin sa'yo, no? Which is very beautiful and amazing. I hope all. I hope this is all. Ang saya naman. Bakit ikaw lang? Tignan pa natin. Tell us more. Wow, love. Ayan. Because he knows that you are soul connected. Ayan nga, soul contract. Ayan, soulmate. My goodness. Wow, your soulmate is pursuing you, ha? Ang ganda nito. Nako, wag mo nang pakawalan to kasi makikita mo ang persons na to is very ano sa'yo din. Very focused sa'yo, no? Parang nakikita mo rito, he thinks na you need to make a big decisions. Pero this is the lovers na parang talagang the two of you is about to accomplish ang soul contract ninyong dalawa, no? So it's really, kaya kita mo ang ganda ng flow, parang naka-align na kayo right now. Parang the both of you are aligned, no, na magtagpo talaga o matapos ang inyong soul contract, no? Kumbaga, walang ano, yung walang aberya, walang ano, ibig sabihin walang sagabal. So, kumbaga ito yung patuloy na na talagang guidance, divinely guided, no? Walang pipigil, no? Kaya pala nakikita mo kumakaripas si Knight of Swords dito, no? So, makikita mo ang pagiging ano actually dito, ang pagiging sabihin natin seryoso ng persons mo. At makikita mo rin na kayong dalawa is being aligned to each other, no? And this is your soulmate. O sabihin natin kung nasa karelasyon ka ngayon, ang karelasyon mo, that is your soulmate right now. To those who watching this video, No, this is amazing reading kasi, no, walang aberya dito, no? Pero pinapakita yung journey ng very solemn and very harmonious, journey ninyong dalawa. Ayan, no? Balance, no? Parang worth investing. Makikita mo rito, kita niya na he want to give some balance to you. Ang ganda naman. I hope all. Ayan, medyo siya. Ito nga lang, medyo siguro this is too much thinking. Or sabihin natin, ikaw din hindi ka rin makapagtulog, pero this is about hindi siya makatulog sa gabi. No, nag-iisip kung paano niya i-offer ang ring na to, kung paano siya magsisimula. But in this space, no, ang energy ng pagiging magsisimula ang energy ng connections ninyo itong February, may air na, ibig sabihin is on the air already. Nasa alapaap na, no? Ayan na yung magko-connect yan. Pero sinabi ko, it will not gonna happen right away ng February, but definitely the energy start on February this month, no? Pero you will be receiving sa February ng message niya na medyo aggressive at panay plano, magugulat ka. At ipapakita niya na ramdam niya na soulmate ka niya eh. Ramdam niya na you are his home. Ramdam niya na kailangan kayo nang mag-connect, no? Kaya siya nagmamagdali at nagkukumaripas dito eh, no? Ayan, so that is the transformations. Ang laki ng pagbabago. So, ibig sabihin, because why? Because maybe you let go or maybe you are letting go this no? Itong past shadow ng iyong emotional baggage. Kaya may malaking transformations ang nangyari. Ibig sabihin, parehas kayong nakaramdam ng tower moment, even doon na naka-silent kayo. Parehas kayong nakaramdam ng tower moment, pinagbabayaran nyo ang inyong karmic sa isa't isa. And now that the transformation's coming. So, napakalaking transformations ang mangyayari sa iyong love life. Magugulat ka. Even though the both of you naging silent ng matagal, pero makikita mo rito, no, ang transformations na paparating. Talas mo, ayan, no? And you have the control here, no? Patience, no? So, medyo pairanin lang ang patience. Medyo sabihin natin, ang pagpaplano ng persons mo because this is the night, this is Knight of Swords, no? But, medyo magugulat ka, medyo maaasar ka siguro sa approach ng taong ito kasi medyo masalita na parang it's hard to believe. Pero tandaan mo ang persons na yan, he speak through his heart, no? Kahit hindi pa kapani-paniwala pero sasabihin niya sa iyo ang gusto niyang mangyari sa inyong relationship. Gusto kanyang makasama habang buhay. O, saan ka pa? Dahil alam niya soulmate ka niya. Pinatunayan dito ng journey ninyo. And the temperance, konting patience, no? Because you are both undergoing some transformations dito, Gemini. No? So, let's see. Oh, yeah, kahit pagod na pagod siya, kita mo? He will fight for this relationship. O kahit marami na kayong naranasan na hirap, but he will fight for this relationship. Handa siya, no? Hindi kanya i-give up. He will fight for that. Ayan. And then we could see here the celebratory. Some of you din may may reconciliations or sabihin natin may nakikita tayo dito. This is a soul tribe na parang nag-get together na nagpa-party because they accomplish some happy things. No, ito siguro. So after this, itong pagiging resilience, no? Siguro with your cooperations at sa kanyang sa iyong sa kanyang way na sinakyan mo kahit medyo abrupt, sabihin natin na medyo mabilis ang pangyayari, sinakyan mo and this is what you got the Three of Cups, parang celebrations, no? Everyone is happy on that connection. Parang lahat is nagdiriwang, pati ang yung soul tribe, ang iyong ancestor, nagdiriwang sa connections na to. So, you are really soulmate right now, no, Gemini? Ang persons mo, soulmate. Soulmate mo. Kung single ka, ang darating na person sa'yo is your soulmate. Tandaan niyo yan. Ayan. So, medyo, he's very obsessive sa'yo, no? Talagang parang nakita mo, mahal na mahal ka, obsessive sa'yo. Medyo, syempre, sabihin din natin, may halo rin na sabihin natin na hindi siya makalayo sa'yo. parang na-obsess siya sa'yo, which is we like it, 'di ba, Gemini? Parang ayaw niya makawala sa'yo, medyo ano siya sa'yo, no? Pero this is also included some ano, some sexual energy na siguro he's enjoy being with you, no? Pero he is willing to offer his love towards you, a big love towards you. No, bukas ang puso niya. This is overflowing na mahal ka niya. Hindi lang siya obsessed sa'yo, pero mahal ka niya. Ayan, I hope all. Saan ka pa ba? Okay, let's see what's coming towards you pa. Let's see what's coming towards Gemini sa February 11 to February 11 to 28. Let's see what's coming more. Plus more. Naku, ang daing, new love. Sabi sa inyo, may new love na darating sa mga bago, sa mga separated, sa mga divorce. New love is coming. Ayan, don't miss these chances. No, a new person steered your romantic futures. May nagkakagusto. Basta lang i-release mo lang yung ex mo. Hindi mo na kailangan ng ex mo dahil may new love ka. Tingnan mo naman, hindi ka ba kinakalabutan dyan? Diba, hindi ka ba kikilabutan dyan? New love is coming, so you need to release your ex. The time has come to clear your energy this February, Gemini. Kapaba, Gemini, ha? Ayan, fully guided ka, ha? What's this? Ayan, but you need to forget. You need to forgive this ex. No? Forgive mo na siya. Let it go. No? Dahil as long na i-forgive mo to, itong February is the right timing daw, Gemini. So, as you forgive this, at least nakakuha ka ng lessons sa relationship na nangyari sa inyo ng ex mo. But you need to release him because it's not for your highest good anymore. Because the new love is coming towards you. Kuha mo? I-release mo na tong ex mo at patawarin mo na. That is how to let it go. Because why? Ang iyong new love is darating. Sino yung new love na yan? Ang iyong soulmate sa mga ano no, sa mga divorce, sa mga single, sa mga balo po, no? Look, it's very very clear ang message natin ngayon sa iyo, Gemini, no? I hope you get this message, ma-enlighten ka. Very clear ang binibigay ng Romance Angel. But you have your own free will. Tell us more. Right timing is February. Ayan. Ayan, no? Sinesearch ka. Soulmate mo nga to, no? Getting to know each other. Ito, somebody's searching you on social media this February 11. Ito nga yung new love mo siguro. At parang enjoy siya na makita ang about you. Parang kumukuha siya ng info about you, no? And that's the time na parang he feels na may deeper bond kayo. Why? Because bakit deeper bond ang nararamdaman niya? Because you are really soulmate na napatunayan dito. So if single ka, your soulmate is coming towards you, but you need to, kailangan mo i-release ang ex mo, nak, ha? And then, i-forgive mo siya. Forgive him. Dahil the new love is coming. Sino tong new love na to? Sino tong bago na mag-o-offer ng ring sa'yo? Na gusto kang kausapin. Oh my goodness. This is a very smooth harmony journey, no? This is a soulmate. So, ibig sabihin, Gemini, no? This relationship need to accomplish. Parang this is a soulmate contract accomplishment. End of the contract. Kasi parang tingin natin, this is the end. Kaya kita mo, very smooth, oh, walang problema. No? Nakukuha mo ba ako na? Very beautiful reading. So, bibigyan kita ng angel whisper. Happy about this reading. Tell us more about Gemini. Gemini, angel whisper kay Gemini. Clarity. Ayan, clarity daw. Gemini, you have the clarity message dito, no? Ang sabi ng angel whisper, as the storm passes, tapos narawang mga storm mo yan, nagkaroon ka ng kaliwanagan. Nakita mo napakabilis, nakikita mo na yung katotohanan, no? Nakikita mo na yung mga malalabo dati, you are seeing it clearly, no? At yung spirit guide is reminding you that the clarity is readily available sa'yo. At saka kung gusto mo pa, kung nakukulangan ka pa ng kaliwanagan, all you need to do is to ask and pray. No, mag-pray ka because your spirit guide is just on your side. Lalo na no, ginagabayan ang iyong love life. no? Napakaganda, walang problema, no? This is the first time na nakita kong no problem, walang third party, but you need just to release your ex dito, no? Release mo lang yung ex mo. And napagdaanan mo na ang storm ng iyong love life. Nakaranas ka na lahat. Kumbaga, this is now, kumbaga, align na kayong dalawa. Naka-align na kayong dalawa ng soulmate mo na ko. Kita mo ang ganda, walang problema. No? Naka-align na kayong dalawa. Ibig sabihin, maliwanag na sa'yo lahat. No? Hindi ka para sa ex mo, maliwanag na sana sa'yo yan. And then, ito ang affirmations na binigay sa'yo ng ating angel whisper. Loving energy surround me and I trust that the clarity I felt is the answer I need. Ayan. So, ulitin ko ha. Loving energy surrounds me and I trust that the clarity I feel is the answer I need. Ayan. So, amen. No? This is very beautiful. Ayan. So, pengin naman po ng like and hype dyan at salamat din po sa pag-share ng ating video, Gemini. And marami rin salamat sa patuloy na panonood ng ating video. And thank you so much po sa mga nagpa-member, no? I love you guys and thank you so much and God bless you.
Dear friend, have you ever felt so stuck, hurt, or hopeless that you knew something had to change, but you didn't know how things would work out? A time when you could have really used more insight and guidance, or at least a new way to nurture yourself and bring a little more peace into your life. We all struggle with our own issues, self-defeating patterns, and conditioning, all of which color our views of ourselves and the world, whether we're aware of it or not. Add in the chaos of modern life, and it makes sense that you might not know what to do, where to turn, or even what's holding you back. But what if you had a tool that could help you not only relieve stress and anxiety, but also help you focus on self-care and get clear on what blocks your way to living the life you truly want and deserve? In HAR, everything will be revealed to you. In HAR, you will be inspired, enlightened and empowered.
Mahal kong kaibigan, naranasan mo na bang mapagod, nasaktan, o nawalan ng pag-asa na alam mong may kailangang baguhin, ngunit hindi mo alam kung paano mangyayari ang...
Dear friend, have you ever felt so stuck, hurt, or